President Biden is creating the White House's first ever Office of Gun Violence Prevention, saying it will help implement existing laws and work to pass gun safety legislation at the state level as well. Advocates are calling this a major step forward in the fight against gun violence. Washington correspondent Jessi Turnure with more.
Do something. Do something.
President Biden says that's the plea he hears after every mass shooting in the country. And Friday, the president says his administration is taking action.
We're going to centralize, accelerate, and intensify our work to save more lives more quickly.
The White House's first ever Office of Gun Violence Prevention will tackle the issue from the federal, state, and local levels, working on policy like an assault weapons ban, as well as community-based approaches like improving mental health resources. Vice President Harris will oversee the new office.
On this issue, we do not have a moment to spare, nor a life to spare.
Gun safety advocates have urged the White House to create an office like this for years.
So many families are devastated by the ugliness of gun violence. To spare.
Gun safety advocates have urged the White House to create an office like this for years.
So many families are devastated by. We do not have a moment to spare, nor a life to spare.
Gun safety advocates have urged the White House to create an office like this for years.
So many families are devastated by the ugliness of gun violence. And the truth is, it is a public health crisis and an epidemic.
One of those families, the Rubios, lost their daughter in the Uvalde mass shooting. They say the most important thing for the office to do is bring people like them to the table.
When you can feel our pain, that's when you're going to put the most effort into making a difference.
Congress passed a bipartisan package of modest gun safety measures last year, but Republicans, like Utah Congressman Burgess Owens, still largely oppose Democrats' proposals.
They legislate away the common sense tools for Black Americans to protect themselves.
In Washington, I'm Jessi Turnure.